co-owner of Spotted Dog Yoga. And the first thing I want to say is just how impressed and pleased I am with enrollment for Summer Yoga Body thus far. It starts May 1st and we already have 46 participants. Now we need to really have a serious conversation about your feet. So basic alignment of your feet in every yoga pose of your practice. Lift your 10 toes, spread your 10 toes, press the mound of your big toes down. And just to be clear, the mound of your big toe is not this. The mound of your big toe is this, right? And you'll feel the bone right in here pressing into the ground. So press the mound of each big toe down, press the center of each heel down, and then from the floor, lift all the way up to extend out, fullest expression. Now that you know how to use your feet in your yoga practice, come try it at Spotted Dog Yoga with us. I don't want to give you a high five. I don't do high fives.
You did.
I don't do high fives. Sorry.